GCD, which stands for the greatest common divisor. So imagine that you have these two numbers. We have 3 and 6. The GCD should be 3 because that is the highest number that can divide the two numbers. And we can use recursion using what we call the Euclid algorithm to determine the GCD of numbers using recursion. So here I'm going to have DEF. We can call this function GCD. Here I'm going to be providing the two numbers which we want to determine the greatest common divisor. So I'm going to have this one as num1, and here is going to be num2. Then here I'm going to establish the base case, and for the base case we're going to have if num2 is equal to 0, then it should return num1. So here we're going to have return num1, else it is going to return GCD. Here I'm going to have num2, and I'm going to have num1 modulo num2. So let's go ahead and run this program. So here I'm going to have result is equal to GCD. Here I'm going to be providing 3 and 6. So let's go ahead and print the result. And this is going to give us the greatest common divisor, which should be 3. So if I have 15 here, 15 and 6, the GCD should also be 3, which is here. So if I have 15 and 25, the GCD should be 5. So you can see that it is working.